with GITEX actually since year one, since day one, and we are very proud to be here every year. Very good experience, very good return on investment. This year is definitely better than last year from our GITEX organization as an overall, and from an HP stand and setup and investment as well. It is bigger and better this year for sure. We believe that we have the biggest and best references globally, and it is all about the use cases. So basically, what are the benefits do we bring to the users, to the citizens, to the different industries, to the different customers and to their business. So we have Auckland as a good reference as a use case for transportation of smart cities. We have Dubai as a reference for use cases for the smart learning. We have Anaheim as a smart city as well as a reference for us. We have Los Angeles, we have Japan, we have Singapore. So a number of big references across the globe. And what we're trying to bring here is we are bringing the framework, if you want, knowing that Dubai is working on being the smart city in the world. You need to bring all the best practices and use cases from across the globe, bring it to Dubai, put it together. And we believe that we stand the best position, having the capabilities and references across the globe to bring this global experience into Dubai. Actually, our regional office is here, the headquarters for Mediterranean, Middle East and Africa countries. Here we are talking about 76 countries are in Dubai. What is the Internet of Things? It is basically connecting everything together via the internet. This could be via using SIM cards like the ones we have, or the phone, or via Wi-Fi or any means of connectivity to get connected to the internet. And then after you connect all these devices and people and things, then you need to manage it, right? You need to secure it. You need to collect data and provide data into it, and you need to extract information out of it to take the right decisions, yeah? And these decisions could be to the benefit of the citizen, to make more happy citizen, better services, better quality, could be fleet management, could be health management, could be smart learning, yeah? And that's exactly the link. If you look at the statistics, most of the companies invest 80% of their security budget protecting their setup and network organization from outside. At the same time, statistics say that 80% of the attacks happen from within inside and to the applications, right? So bottom line is that you need to look at the different components of your setup and protect it. We as HP are the only player who have the comprehensive solution to protect your entire environment. So these are the four key pillars, yeah? Transformation, protection, empowerment and enablement for you to build and bridge and take the current city, any city, into the future city, and to have the Internet of Things. These are the key components that you need to have for it. And we as HP are positioned the best to do that and provide it for our customers.